635 of Puttaswamy, they say that the right to privacy does not include a right to erase history.
Yes.
That doesn't, you can't erase history.
Then how
It's
do you
factual.
reconcile it with right to be forgotten?
You can't be forgotten if it's a news item. It will only be an update.
My
No,
lords,
otherwise, what is this right to be forgotten?
there is no contours defined. What are the ingredients of this right? When does it apply? When does it start? If I'm forgotten, after how much time?
I'll tell Lordship, no.
Yes.
Can you invoke the right to be forgotten?
No, I'll tell Lordship.
That is an
no,
issue in
at an early date, because it will be very landmark ruling. What is right to be forgotten? What is the relationship of privacy? 1918-21.
Normally, people don't like to be forgotten.
Suppose there is a scholar. He's doing research into certain bank issues. He goes to the Harshad Mehta scam. Now, can you say that Harshad Mehta was acquitted, therefore take it down? Those news reports will be there.
No,
Somebody
that is
wants...
all material for research.
Exactly.
Got
No, they want news moksha. It's not possible.
The point is whether you can continue publishing the same things
No, we don't.
after he has got a discharge.
No, it is not continuous publication.
It remains on the.
It remains, but there is an
Portal.
update column. No, there is an update column at page 42 saying he has been discharged on so and so day.
But why at all
No,
refer
but
to him?
no, the point is this. Lordship will kindly see. The same thing comes in the newspaper.
No, today's paper is tomorrow's Raddi.
No.
It doesn't
But
remain.
no, Lordship will kindly see. No.
Digital continues.
No, Lordship will kindly see. The Constitution bench in Puttaswamy says you can't erase history. Now, suppose a person has been an accused, that is reported. He is discharged, that is updated. Now, in this facts of this case, the discharge petition is pending further challenge in the Delhi High Court. So the case is still alive. Now, we are on a larger case
But there
because...
is no stay of discharge.
No. No, the point is
Only-
this, it's a news, you can't turn it down. And the Lordship will kindly see.
19(1).
No, the Lordship will kindly see.
19(1).
No, please see, my lord.
Fundamental right
Yes,
versus Article 21,
my lord,
which would prevail.
I would submit this, my lord. Once it's a news, it's on the online portal, it is there.
But
You
then
can't erase it.
subsequent development
But I have added that. I-
is something
no,
in favor
no.
of the person.
I have put it that.
Which was negative news becomes a positive
No,
news.
but his discharge is also reported. No, Lordship will kindly see.
Another way of looking at it.
Yes,
Right to know,
yes,
not only 19(1)(a,
Yes.
it can be traced to 21 also.
all right.
The right to know
Ah.
on one hand and the right to privacy.
Hmm.
Both can't be antagonistic. Both must.
No, Lordship has to examine.
Democracy, right to information or right to know is must. be
19(1)
protected.
also.
I'm not saying in your favor.
Yes,
actually.
yes.
Article
Hold on.
19(1), right, is with regard to right to information also can
It
come.
also takes to 21.
And one,
Which would-
Citizenry.
no,
But which would
Concerning
prevail?
democracy.
Which right would prevail?
the right to know will prevail, the news will prevail, the news cannot be erased. Yes,
You can't.
Erase
say
history.
privacy,
Ah.
You can't block.
and what happens is, yes, and Lordship, what happens in,
Balance.
no, and in this news item, there is a report about 7 individuals. The High Court says take down the whole item. He's the
No,
only
but
petitioner.
Are you saying that he has been discharged?
Here, but he has been, I reported that also. That also I reported. But the point is, suppose tomorrow, my lord, is an income tax raid in my house. There's a news
Yes.
item saying.
Information.
Only thing is, he says it should not be there at all.
No,
My
you
lords.
can't do that, because what happens is, everybody comes and says, once the news is published, suppose my house is raided by income tax department, there'll be an item, Mr. So-and-so house is raided, they found 10 crores. That's a news item, it's come in the paper, and one more thing, this Raddi part of it, all these papers are behind a firewall. You can't access old editions of Indian Express unless you pay a subscription for that. Now, this is always recorded.
No,
The
now,
fact-
earlier that was the
No,
thing. Now,
Lordship can know.
now digital,
No, not the 2G scam. People were convicted in 2G scam. They were acquitted. Now you can't say take down that report of his conviction. How can you do that? That's a news, that's history. And para 635 of
it's
the.
all right, will you are for.
My lords, my lords, I'm appearing for Indian Qanun. There's also a direction,
No,
Indian Qanun, there's also a direction to remove the orders of this court.
no, there is only.
You're with me?
Yes, I'm
Please
for
with me, my
respondent
lord.
number 10. I'm
Please
for
with me.
respondent number 10, my lords.
For,
Respondent number 10, Indian Qanun.
no, now the petitioner here is the
Indian Express online,
Indian Express online.
online, yes, because they were parties in the
You are
suit
all,
also.
you are all supporting the petitioner.
Please, my lords, I'm only pointing out that the similar issue.
No, R1 is the person, no?
Yes, sir, partner, 18%.
Ah.
And what has happened, my lord, apart from this, he filed a defamation suit.
Yes.
The prayer is for defamation. Right to forgotten is not even in the prayer. Then we say the defamation suit is time barred,
So
more than
all
1
the-
year.
All the other portals and
Yes, all are included. He wants to be taken down all over.
My lords, even court records.
to R10, who is this R11 unknown? What is this?
It's a
Deep
John
Doe
Doe order.
order, Ashok Kumar John Doe order. He says wherever my news item is there, take everywhere. Like a global takedown.
Yes,
My lords, if I
And now he has moved contempt also against me.
you all accept who is appearing?
Lordship may stay the judgment because 8 writ petitions are.
Who is
Accept,
appearing? Anybody
my
else
lord.
for R1?
There's a caveat on the cause list.
Not shown.
Not so.
All right, petitioner's counsel is permitted to serve the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 caveat. Then what about the others?
I-
2 to
For R,
2 to 10.
R10, I'm accepting notice. My lords, one small
No,
thing
in
I wanted
judicial
to
order, he
point
wants
out,
taken down.
one small thing I wanted to point out. There are two petitions which concern the right to be forgotten, which also have me as a party, which is already pending before this court. My lords, one is called Indian Kanun versus Karthik Theodore, where an order has been passed by this court issuing notice and also directing stay on a judgment of the Madras High Court. And there's a pre-existing case called Alka Malhotra that is showing in the cause list tentatively to be listed on 13. I'll just pass on these details. Both of those matters are tagged.
That's all right.
And-
You take notice.
I'll take
Who-
notice.
so who is accepting? Only you are there as caveator. No, learned counsel Sri so-and-so who is present in court.
For Indian Kanun.
It is for respondent number
Indian Kanun.
who serve
Also,
petitioners, you serve them.
what
Others
happened was,
serve them.
no, what happened was we are all defendants. Sorry.
Direction.
Well, I want to stay because 8 writ petitions have been filed Delhi High Court. Everybody is coming and saying, take down my entire news. I can't do that online.
Where is the direction, please? In
Yes, please see the direction.
16.
Yes. No, the direction of the court, page 12, para 12.1. Right to be forgotten.
Right to be forgotten, right to be left alone.
Yes. That can't apply to news, my lord. That's how subject lordship has to decide that. My lord, suppose it's an article, I read an article about somebody defamatory, then lordship may say take it down. But once it's a
But
news.
are you showing that he has been
Yes,
discharged?
yes, please see page 60. Please see page,
Let us see that.
yes, kindly see the update at page PDF 69, page 41, my lord, actual page. PDF
41.
41 at the bottom. Page 41 at the bottom.
Yes,
Lordship has got page 41 bottom, update. The special judge had allowed the application under so-and-so of Nitin Bhatnagar, former bank manager of so-and-so, seeking discharge. He stood discharge of the offence. The court observed prosecution failed to make out a case. Now kindly see page 46. He doesn't want this to be taken on. Please see page 46, where the High Court wraps the ED for making a charge against his bank manager. That also I report.
what is the date of this?
Page, it's 19th August, 2024.
That is after the discharge.
Yes, so that also I report.
So how long digital version remains?
It'll remain.
It will always.
Yes, yes, it's news. But it's behind a firewall. So unless it's all what's called crawler broker, unless you pay subscription like Hindu Express, unless you pay subscription, you can't access the old edition archives. Well, I am told that after 6 months, it goes into archives.
Huh. So they have to be a subscriber.
Lordship has to lay down a proposition of law because now Rajasthan High Court is giving a judgment, Punjab is giving a judgment,
Yes.
Madras has given a judgment. Delhi,
Delhi-
there are 8 writ petitions
There,
pending.
there,
Everybody wants to take it down. So Lordship may decide because in para 635 of Puttaswamy, they say that the right to privacy does not include a right to erase history.
yes.
That doesn't, you can't erase history.
Then how
It's
do you
factual.
reconcile it with right to be forgotten?
You can't be forgotten if it's a news item. It will only be an update.
My
No,
lords,
otherwise, what is this right to be forgotten?
there is no contours defined. What are the ingredients of this right? When does it apply? When does it start? If I'm forgotten, after how much time?
I'll tell Lordship,
An offense of
no,
the
no,
way.
no,
Yes.
Say, can you
No.
invoke the right to be
No.
forgotten?
no, I'll tell Lordship.
That is an issue in Karthik Theodore, sorry.
What happens is, I'll tell Lordship, when we did this issue for other things, now there are CCTV cameras at different places. in Europe, there's a thing called, what is called, digital re-rolling. It's, you have to re-roll the data. After 60 days, there's CCTV cameras on every signal and every restaurant people are coming. That can't be retained beyond 60 days because there should be no track. I went to this restaurant, I went here. That is tracing my movement. There I have a right to be forgotten because why should somebody keep where Mr. Datar went on so and so date? But if there is a news item, suppose, for example, your Supreme Court says, Supreme Court passes adverse comments on so and so, and later on the petition is allowed. Can he say, take down that Supreme Court signs? That your lordship passed adverse remark, that is news. So, my lord, at an early date, because let us, it will be very landmark ruling, what is right to be forgotten? What is the relationship of privacy? 1918-21.
Normally, people don't like to be forgotten.
Now, a wall of privacy is sought to be erected
Yes,
so that the citizens do not have information, access to information.
yes.
This is not good for democracy.
Yes.
This is retrospective.
No, but I'm looking at this, my lord. Suppose there is a scholar, he's doing research into certain bank issues. He goes to the Harshad Mehta scam. Now, can you say that Harshad Mehta was acquitted, therefore take it down? Those news reports will be there.
No,
Somebody
that is
wants,
all material for research.
exactly. All this is also material for research. How many?
Source.
Yes. I'm not on the larger footing.
Yes.
See,
news
it is
can't be
not-
researched.
See, that is different
Yeah.
from saying defamation.
Yes.
Yes.
See, their contention is that this is defamatory
But
because
truth-
I have been discharged.
No. The point is the fact that ED arrested you can't be defamation because truth is a
That's
defense.
the truth.
That's the truth. Because you acquitted subsequently, that doesn't mean the earlier report becomes defamatory. And once I say it's time barred, then he comes up with the theory of right to be forgotten. But now that since on the basis of this order, and what happens is the learned judge has kept the main suit pending. But interim direction says that take it down. So final relief is granted.
Only certain historical figures want to be forgotten now.
Well, when in a lighter vein, in a lighter vein, this is a true story. There used to be a book called Roots by Alex Haley, who went into the slave trade and how people came from the Africa into slave and so on. So the point is, people would pay $1,000 to trace your roots. Who's my great grandfather and so on. So that was a new movement. Then there was an article saying you first pay $1,000 to find your history, then you pay $2,000 to close it.
Yes.
Because it's embarrassing.
No, some figures.
Yes.
whether, but mostly not in this world. They want from above to be forgotten.
No, they want news moksha. It's not possible.
Yes.
But this is a very.
Interesting
very
question.
interesting bit with it.
Can at early date, if can, because there were now 8 petitions, a stay of the judgment, they filed contempt also against me.
Against you,
Yes.
because you are continuous.
Lord, I've taken it down because I've taken it down. Stay of this judgment and suit proceedings.
Otherwise, it's, if you cannot now put it up.
I've taken it down under protest.
Taken it down.
Yes.
Then,
No, but then the point is, I'm got
So
already
this is
8 petitions against Indian Express.
so what happens if we stay? Now you will
No.
revive it.
No, this judgment won't be an authority. Everybody's saying you granted for this case, grant for me
No,
also.
now, otherwise, if we stay this, you will start reviving it,
What?
that material on the digital platform.
No, it is turned down.
It's turned down.
It's behind an archive. What we'll do is, once if your lordship holds in my favor, I will revive it. But till then, I'll let it be. I have complied with the order now.
You can stay it subject to you making a statement
Hmm.
that you won't revive it.
That what is turned down will not be revived till your lordship's final orders.
Balancing.
Till your lordship.
Learned Senior Counsel Sri Datar submitted that the.
But I'm told that it's okay.
You have already taken it down.
Delete it, yeah.
Submitted that the